Hey, Project Fam. Tonight we have a fight, a straight up fight. So let's get ready to rumble. In the corner on my left, I have my yellow sticky traps. In the corner on my right, I have my fruit lure. So this is projects and problems. And right now I have a problem. The problem is with all this exposed moist soil and seedlings and plants, I get these little flies. Maybe they're gnats. I've read they might be fungus gnats. Maybe they're not fruit flies, but I need them gone. That's the problem. The problem is I need them gone. Is that the problem or is that the project? No, that's the problem. They need to go. The project is, how am I going to get these flies out of here or these gnats out of here without spraying harmful chemicals on my goodies? So that's what I'm going to work on. I bought 2 products off Amazon and I'm going to put them against each other head to head to see which does a better job with my problem. So we're going to start off with the fruit fly traps. Now these say they're good for fruit flies. They didn't say they're good for fungus gnats. So you open the apple, just like I did there. They give you 1 bottle of solution, and you are supposed to pour half of that solution in one apple and the other half in the other apple. So this solution smells like straight apple cider vinegar. Like, who's Boo Boo the Fool? That's apple cider vinegar. I know what apple cider vinegar smells like. So now the question is, how does this work, right? So you have an apple with a whole bunch of holes, and the fly, I'm gonna call them gnats, because I think they're gnats. The gnats will fly in. Will they drink the solution, or will they try and lay eggs on top of the solution? I don't know, but these gnats are supposed to go in and they're not supposed to go out. And they even have a little window to show you how much of this solution is left inside the apple. So I did that for both apples, and now it's time to put these traps to work. So for those who know, I have 2 stations, which I'm going to name one day. They're going to get a name. I set 1 apple at 1 station. I put it right in the middle. And this is my second area. I'll put the other apple in the second area. I don't know if it's going to work, but it sure looks pretty sitting on that table. All right, now here comes a challenger. Straight up sticky traps. So what I'm going to do is open the sticky traps, and they are bright yellow. Looking at the apple and the sticky traps, apparently these flying bugs like bright stuff. And I'm reading the instructions. When you open the package, you get these stickies and you get this little shovel. What is the purpose of this shovel? I have no idea why there is a shovel in this package. It makes absolutely no sense to me. But all jokes aside, I laughed at the shovel, but then I actually used it for something else. So I guess as a tool, it was good to have. Hardest thing about these stickers is 1, getting the rubber band off, and 2, especially with the sticky shaped like butterflies, it's really difficult to peel. Come on, dude, hurry up. Like, I'm trying to record this. I'm trying to run a show. There we go. So it's really difficult to peel this sticker off in 1 take. Like, I just want to be able to peel it off and move on to the next one. And there is protective on both sides, protective coating. So you peel off one side, you peel off the second side, and then you just stick that down in the soil and let it go to work. So I had 12, and I think I put maybe 4 or 5 in each area. And I did put it close to my fake apple. Here I go again. And we wouldn't get any insights if I didn't show you what happened. And next, I'm going to tell you real time my observations after a certain period of time, which happens to be 5 days. All right, so I'd like to say about 5 days ago, we put down these yellow sticky traps. This one is made by a company called Stingmon. It's a 12 pack, which I thought was pretty neat. And if you want to know if it works, let me see, can I count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just on that side. And on the other side, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's about 22 just on one trap. So I put down this one over here. So this is just bait. There's nothing in here. I just put some water in here and just let it turn into a breeding environment. And you can see, I mean, these guys are trapped. Look at that. Then back here on the cutter, hello cutter. Then even on the cactus. All right, and over here, even on the small aloes. Yo, so I can definitely say that these yellow traps, the sticky traps, they work really well. I like it. I will continue to use it, and I'll recommend it. Now also, if you remember these guys, right? So let's open this and see what's inside. Now, if this thing works properly, I don't think I can get this open with one hand. Let me put this down. All right, so what I found, first of all, it's not easy to open this up. And what you do is you squeeze it and it comes up. And at first I thought that this thing was a bust because I didn't see anything, but let me put some paper down so you can see what's happening inside. And if I look really closely, do I see anything? Dude, I don't know. I don't see jack. I'm not. Maybe my flying insect is not attracted to apple cider vinegar. Maybe it just likes the standing water. So that didn't work. Now let me go check out my other section. Let's see if it worked over there. All right. Now this section did not have a lot of visible flies, but I can definitely tell you that if I look at this, oh, this guy's been working pretty hard. See that? I count about maybe 4 up top. Oh, is there anything on the other side? Oh my God, oh boy. Okay, the other side visibly doing some work. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, about 16 in total on this one card. Not bad. And then over here, I've got about 4 on this side. Let's look at the other side. And a couple, so maybe about 6 on that sticky trap. And then I have 1 in the corner. There's one flying right there. Like, this is so annoying. See this? Sorry, gotta go. Ah, I missed it. How about if I move a sticky trap next to him? Without making a mess. All right. I think maybe I'll put a sticky trap on those peppers over there. But looking at this trap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And about another 6 on that side, so 18. So, yeah, these sticky traps are doing their thing. I don't know if they prevent the bugs from breeding. I don't think that happens, but all right, let's hit this apple and see what's going on in this one. Now, I can tell you that if there are no bugs in here, these apples are a bust for the types of flying bugs that I have. And I say that because fruit flies, I think, are different from the gnats that we have here. So maybe the gnats are not attracted to this right here. So let's get this open. Okay, ooh, I got it open. And Nothing in here. Ain't nothing in here. Are they microscopic? This thing is empty. So, bust. If you don't know exactly what type of flying bugs you have, I would go with these sticky cards here. Maybe this is good for definitely fruit flies, like putting next to rotted fruit. And that's why this smell, the apple cider vinegar, kind of mimics rotten fruit. So for my needs, this is what I'm gonna get, and this is what I recommend. Case closed. Not even close. As a matter of fact, what I'll probably do is put some water in here, maybe with a little dishwashing liquid, so when the bugs go to lay eggs on top of the standing water, they drown. Because, all right, nerd coming, because the soap changes the surface tension of the water, so instead of the bugs being able to walk on the water like they normally do, since we added some dishwashing liquid to it, they go to attempt to walk on water and they just drown because we changed the surface tension of the water. That's a nerd alert. Sorry about that. So in conclusion, the yellow sticky traps are the way to go. And there's probably nothing wrong with the little apples with the apple cider vinegar concoction inside. It probably works really well for fruit flies, but for my plant fungus gnats, they did jack. So I want to make sure that no one else is a sucker like I was to buy those little apples trying to get rid of fungus gnats. So I highly recommend it. I'm actually going to order some more because I used all of mine. Thank you all for watching. I have plenty more videos to come, so